Hey everyone, previous video I started basic of C language MCQs which is most asked in test series. So if you didn't watch that video then please start through the first video then come back. So now here I'll go move next MCQs about programming. I made this playlist only for improving your logical skills via solving these MCQs, and I put these MCQs based on only high priority in the interview test. So let's start friends to the first MCQs. Here, if user take num as a value 10, what will be the output of this program? Friends, see the code and tell me the what is the output of this code. Option A is there, B is there, C is there, and D is there. Okay, I'll show you of this code output in live online GDB compiler in Google. So here online GDB compiler I am going to opening. So it's opened, and here I have this code copied in the notepad. So I am going to copy this code and here paste. Okay, here I need to select C language and this is the run. See, here I got one warning. It's a warning, it's not an error. Okay, code is running. Here I give user input like 10 and enter. See, here nothing is came. So see here line number 14 give warning. In scanf, make sure one point noted here. In scanf, we have to use proper format specifier and address of this variable. Here not given address of this num. So I need to give address of num. Okay. Then I am going to run. See here nothing warning came. So I give output 10. See output 10, 12 and A. Okay. So in our code output is segmentation fault. Okay friend, because of this address is not there, we got segmentation fault. Here make sure one more point, it's not a compile time error, it's a runtime error. Segmentation fault will come only in runtime error. Okay, it's not a compile time error. Next MCQ. Try to see the code and tell me the answer. What is the keyword? See in this program how many keywords are there? Option A 2, 3, 4 or 5. So tell me the keywords. First of all, I'll tell you in C language how many keywords are there. In C language there are 32 keywords is there. See 32 keywords. These all are keywords, predefined keywords. Okay, double, float, else, long, void, extern, if, return. Okay, so here float, return and void is 3 are keyword. See, answer is 3. Here main and printf is a predefined function. It's not a keyword. Okay, next question. What are the ASCII value of /n, capital A, small a, 0 in the decimal? Option A is there, option B is there, option C is there, option D is there. So /n is a 10. Capital A is having decimal value like 65, small a is a 97, 0 is a 48. Okay, so answer will be C. Next question. What will be the output of this program? Friends, try to solve this by yourself. Pause the video for a while and try to solve these questions and tell me the answer. Okay. Option A is there, B is there, C is there and D is there. So I am going to show you in a live compiler. I have code this one. Okay. Control C. Here I am going to paste and run. See here I got one more warning because of line number 12. Line number 12 is a character AB. AB is a character variable. Okay, and in this character variable store like AB in single quotation. So it's not a proper declaration of character variable. We need to put only one character in a single quotation. It's a right, this one is a right declaration. Okay, but here in this our MCQ here put AB, so it's not a wrong, but it's a wrong declarations, but it's not an error. Okay, so here we got output also B, it's a warning. So make sure that if any MCQs having this type of declaration, then consider last character is our output. So here is a B. If I change is here G, then output is G. See, here output will get G. Okay. So in this case, output is B. Next question. Friends, try to solve this question by yourself. What will be the output of this program? Option A is same, not same, same by, and compiler error. So see the code and tell me the answer. Come on fast, friends. It's a very important MCQs for interview preparations. I'll show you in the compiler. Control C, and here I am going to paste, and this is run. Oh my god. See, here error is coming. So what's your answer? Tell me in the comment sections, and please let me know if you are correct on the first time attempt, or if you are fail in first time attempt. Though don't worry, I'll tell you. See here, declaration in line number 12, 13, 14, and in this line also 3 line we got error. Why we got error? Because make sure there's, while declaring variable, we don't put any first digit. Okay, while declarations we don't use any special character except for underscore, and don't use any digital as a first case. Okay, here we got a error. Why we got a error? Line number 12, 13, 4 we got a error because of declaration is wrong. Here, whenever declared a variable name, first letter should not be digit. Okay, and don't use any special character except underscore in the while declaration the variable. Okay, here we put first as a digit, so we got a error. If you remove this, if I remove this, then see what happening. See output we got same. Here 0 0 is a condition going to be true, and the same, and here printf is by is printed. Okay, so make sure point noted, first digit we should not use while declaring variable. Okay, so friends, answer is compiler error. So thank you everyone for watching this video. So bye bye, see you in the next video with new logical MCQs. And yeah, please, if you are interested in that type of MCQs, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt, then please ask in comment sections. So thank you everyone.